Good morning, students. Let's learn about farm animals and their product. Farm animals and their product. Cow. Cow give us milk and meat. Hen and duck give us eggs and meat. Sheep give us wool. Pig give us meat or bacon. Okay, students, that's it about farm animals and their product. Now let's do the activity. Match the farm animals' products to the farm animals correctly. Before we do that, let's cut all the farm animals' products. Next, let's write the name, class, and the date on the worksheet. Cow. What does the cow give? Cow give us milk and meat. Pig. What does the pig give? Pig give us meat or bacon. Hen. What does the hen give? Hen give egg and meat. Sheep. What does the sheep give? Sheep give us wool. Duck. What does the duck give? Duck give us egg and meat. Okay, students, it's finished. Can you do like this activity? Happy learning!